Hi guys, you are watching Tech Bros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can first boot up and what setting you need to do when you insert first time SIM card in your OnePlus Nord CE mobile. Guys, I am doing this method in my OnePlus Nord CE mobile, but you can also use this method to set up your OnePlus Nord and other OnePlus mobiles. So first of all, insert SIM card in your SIM tray. I have only one SIM, so I have insert this SIM card in SIM slot 1. Now switch on your mobile. If you have Wi-Fi connection, then set up your Wi-Fi password. Otherwise, you can set up offline. If you want to copy your data from your account, then press next. Otherwise, press don't copy. Now you have to enter your email ID. But before entering your email ID, remember always, if your mobile is lost or stolen, then with the help of Find My Device, you can track your mobile. So you need to enter your email ID that you have synced with your mobile, and if you want to reset your pin lock, pattern lock, then you have to enter your same email ID and password after format and hard reset. You have to remember always your ID and password that you have synced with your mobile. After entering your email ID, press agree. If you want to join your Red Cable Club, then you can press join. Otherwise, you can skip this. If you want to set up pin lock, then you can set up your pin lock now. Or if you want to see other options, then press screen lock options. From here, you can set up your pattern lock, pin lock, password. So now I am going to set up my pattern lock. If you want to set up your finger lock, then you can set up now. Press next. Press OK. Press done. If you want to use your OnePlus mobile with navigation gestures, then you can press next. And if you want to use home button, recent button, back button, then you can select this and press next. Press start. So guys, now your mobile is ready to use. Guys, first boot up and first setup takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also set up other OnePlus mobiles. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.